Thank you, dear my Project 13. Thanks so much for your support and review of our products. We hope you enjoy the products we have to offer for the new Galaxy S22 Ultra. Best regards from Ringke. You're amazing. Huge shout out to Ringke. Once again, giving me the opportunity to represent. Got a review kit here, all for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this is just amazing. I want to make this clear, man. This isn't just for me. This is for the team and for anybody that comes on by and checks out the content. I really do appreciate it. So stay tuned for some case reviews coming your way once I receive the actual device in-house. I may do one review, really quick one, with the replica S22 Ultra in this video, but as I go through and show you what cases were sent to me from Ringke, I'll be thinking about whether I'm going to do that or not, or you'll just have to wait. But I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek. Live a better day. Got some eco packaging going on here. Got the Fusion card cleared case. So I'm not going to show you the cases, and a lot of you know what these cases look like. You've seen Ringke cases here on my Project 13 for other smartphones. But yeah, we're just going to do a sneak peek. Fusion X Camel Black. Here we have the Onyx Black, solid black case. And here we have the Fusion X Black with clear hard plastic polycarbonate back, reinforced corners, cut out right up in the upper left hand corner, all these cases to protect those amazing cameras. And how do I know they're amazing? I don't, but I'm going to have to assume that they're going to be amazing. But yeah, we need great protection for that area so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Here we have the Fusion matte clear case. So I guess we can open one. Let's do this one. Man, I am so stoked. So this is the Onyx Black. And on the inside, Ringke accessories, 20% off for your next purchase on Amazon. So you can read the information there. And if you open this little pamphlet here, got a lot of goodies here. You can go shopping over at the Ringke website. I'll leave that down below in the description area. Yeah, but there's a lot going on here, so please check out everything once you purchase and bring in your Ringke case for your S22 Ultra. And I'm sure Ringke's going to have cases for the S22 and the S22 Plus. Got that matte back, huge cutout. Got the Ringke brand name right in there. Look at that. So when you set down on a flat surface, the back is actually going to rise above the flat surface with those little areas right there on the corners. A lot of lip going on there. All right, let's go ahead and put that on. And even though this replica device is not going to turn on, I still want to wipe it down with my Soapy Guard microcloth here. All right, let's get a close-up here. Got an area right there. It's going to be recessed right in there for the combo earpiece and speaker. Got a little bit of lip all through here on the right hand side and left hand side with the slightly curved display. A lot of lip at the bottom, a lot of lip up top. Down at the bottom you have a cutout for the USB Type-C and mic area, cutout for the speaker grill, and a cutout for the S Pen. And you got a couple little cutouts right there if you want to sport a lanyard. Should have that on both sides. You do right there. Got the Ringke brand name right there, Onyx for the name of the case. Textured right hand side there, as well as the left hand side. That's really nice to add that extra grip you'll need to hold on to your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra while sporting the onyx black case. Got the volume rocker up and down and power button nicely covered up. Up top, you got a cutout there for another mic. And again, the textured side and the lanyard cutouts right there on that left-hand side. Huge cutout for the camera area. Plenty of depth, plenty of lip. Whether you're setting your S22 Ultra on a flat table or if the table is a little bit rough, you're going to be fine because of the lip up top and the lip at the bottom here. It's going to actually have a little bit of a distance between the flat surface and the display because of both of those ends. That lip coming out far enough to just create a little bit of a gap on both sides there. And as far as the camera area, yeah, you're going to be good there too. If it's going to be a really rough surface, please use your discretion. Those little areas there as well help create a little bit of a distance there, a little bit of a gap. Just look at that cutout right there. Plenty of space to take beautiful pictures and shoot great quality video. Look at that. Yep, definitely gets the whistle. That is really nice. All right, so definitely way more coming your way. Again, Ringke, you outdid yourself. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. If anybody has any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping on by. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you will be alerted when I upload content for you and others to watch. Thanks for watching. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.